Hello, my name is Bridget, and today I am going to do a tutorial on Google Hangouts. Google Hangouts is a popular place for video meetings and events with features that allow you to create, set up, and broadcast live webinars to an audience. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a webinar, customize your webinar, invite people to your webinar, and broadcast your webinar. Please note, you will need a Google account so you can log into Google Plus and create a Hangout. If you do not have an account, you can create one at accounts.google.com. If you already have a Google account, you're going to go to google.com or go to that account and click Sign In. Then choose the account you'd like to use if you have multiple accounts, and then sign in. Go to the plus sign in the upper right hand corner with your name next to it. Click on that. This will take you to the Google Plus home page. The first step to creating a Hangout on air through your Google Plus page is to hover your cursor over the sidebar on the left hand side. As it expands, select Hangouts. Inside the Hangouts homepage, you'll see three tabs at the top: Home, Hangouts on Air, and Video Hangouts. Whether you're on the Home or Hangouts on Air tab, you'll see a line underneath it in blue. Click on the Hangouts on Air tab and then come down and click on Create a Hangout on Air. A white pop-up appears where you'll add all of the details of your webinar. You're going to write the webinar title or type the webinar title: Personal Training Promo, Business Promo is the title of my webinar. You also would want to give a description of it, of the webinar. This is a webinar promoting our personal training business. And then you need to decide whether you intend to host the broadcast now or later. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose later, and then I will have to choose the date and time and length of the broadcast. Since I'm choosing it to be later, I'll go ahead and select a later date. 7 p.m. works, and the duration of 30 minutes will work also. Please be sure to have the correct time zone. Okay, finally, you can choose to make your webinar public or exclusive to a specific audience or circle. Please note, by default, the broadcast is public, so you will need to change it if you don't want it public, and it will be available and promoted on Google Plus and YouTube. I'm going to go ahead for this tutorial and make it not public and only, and only invite one person, which would be my husband. When you're done filling out the information, click the green Share button to create your webinar. The next step is going to be to customize your webinar with trailers and apps by choosing an event theme or uploading either a video or photo trailer that your audience can watch before the show starts. To upload a trailer, you're going to simply click on Trailer. That will bring you to a page where you can search on YouTube for the video trailer that you would like. Enter your YouTube URL here. Choose from your YouTube videos, select photos, or upload photos from your computer. I'm going to go ahead and choose my trailer from my YouTube videos and add the trailer. You'll see a notification that says your trailer has been added. Next, you will want to activate two very important apps that are a must-have to any online event: the question and answer app and the showcase app. Now, these are actually activated automatically when you create your webinar, so if you want to turn them off, you simply would click on them. All right. The next step, once you have created your webinar, is to invite people. There are 3 ways to publicize and spread the word. Invite the people manually using the Invite More button under the Viewers section found at the bottom right of the page. So you're going to scroll down, you'll see Viewers. I'm hosting it, and I have invited one person who has not responded. Over here I can click on Invite More and invite more people. The second way is to share the direct link to your event page to interested attendees or people. Click on Links, and there's the event page link, the YouTube page link, and there's also the third way is to embed the video Hangout to a post or page on your website. I am not going to do either of those, so I will click out of that. And the next step is to broadcast your webinar. So you want to scroll back up and then click on the blue Start button on the Hangout page. This page, once you click on that button, will launch a new window where you will manage the Hangout as it is broadcasted. Google will then prompt you to invite guests to join your Hangout or video call. If you prefer that your audience simply watch your presentation, then you would want to skip this. Just hit skip. And here is a preview of your broadcast. To change the default settings or add new apps to the Hangout, you're going to hover your cursor over the sidebar to your left over here to reveal the available options. This is the chat box, screen share, showcase, question and answer, capture, cameraman, control room, Google Effects, YouTube. Ideally, you'd have a slideshow presentation to show your audience as you speak. To share your presentation, click on the green screen share button and select the active window to show during the webinar. When you're ready, hit the green Start Broadcast button to go live. If your webinar includes a question and answer session, make sure to encourage your audience to submit their questions using the question and answer app. If you do not want your face to show, you can simply hide from the broadcast. At the end of your presentation, you can click on the question and answer app to see all of the submitted questions. Let's do that. They will load. To answer each one, you will hit the answer it during the call and then hit the done button to move on to the next question. And congratulations. You have, actually, before I say congratulations, to start your broadcast live, you're going to click the green Start Broadcast button. You'll see where it says Go Live. You're about to broadcast live on Google Plus and YouTube. You can broadcast for up to 8 hours. I do not want to broadcast right now, so I'm going to click Cancel. Now, congratulations. You have successfully completed your first webinar.